No Workout No Fills. This is the best weight loss product in the market right now. The product name calls Cinderella Solution. Let's talk about Cinderella Solution. So what is Cinderella Solution? Carly Donovan, a woman in her late 30s, was literally obese. She did everything to get back in shape, but she couldn't. Fortunately, she discovered how Japanese women manage to remain healthy and disease-free, and live a long life. She discovered how flavor pairing could do wonders as it does for the women of Japan. She decided to do some research and hired a team. Within 6 months, they found out how great the technique was. Slowly she started using it and lost 14 pounds in a week. She is in perfect shape now and intends to help every woman suffering from obesity. She experimented on many and the results were excellent. She has been interviewed many times globally on live channels and her work has become well known. Hence, to help each and every woman across the globe, she has released her formula in the name of Cinderella Solution. The Cinderella Solution offers an easy-to-start, simple-to-follow cure using flavor pairing rituals that hit the reset switch on your metabolism's 3 key fat-burning hormones: insulin, cortisol, and estrogen. This weight loss ritual is backed by scientific law that has rapid, safe and permanent results. Cinderella Solution has simple recipes that will accelerate your body's fat-burning mechanism and your body will then burn fat naturally. WHO can try Cinderella Solution? As discussed earlier, Cinderella Solution is not a medicine or a workout machine. It is a book full of recipes that belong to the flavor pairing strategy. All of these recipes or combinations are 100% proven to be safe and effective. It doesn't matter if you're old or young, this is designed for women in their 20s to their 40s or 60s as well. The best part is you don't need any fitness equipment, a fridge full of green veggies or diet food, or a shelf decorated with diet pills or prescribed weight loss medicines. Although Cinderella Solution doesn't cure diseases like hormonal imbalance, diabetes or heart diseases, it helps in improving your overall condition as the flavor pairing strategy is used to strengthen your body's immune system and metabolism. Many women have reported that it has helped their bodies heal from within and gain their lost self-confidence. If you have 10+ pounds to lose or anything more than that, do not hesitate. It is not your fault. Our bodies are designed to switch off the 3 key fat-burning hormones after our teenage. We simply need to rewire our body's mechanism to get back in a healthy shape. Cinderella Solution is based on the Japanese principle, Shoku Iku, which means nutrition architecture. According to them, flavor pairing is the best way to boost our fat-burning mechanism and hormones health. To follow Cinderella Solution: 1. You do not have to do any boring cardio or high-intensity exercise. You do not have to eat any bland food or starve yourself. You do not have to spend money on any expensive pills or supplements. You do not have to spend hours in gym counting calories. Instead, Cinderella Solution is based on cutting-edge research that is proven to work in the most effective manner. Some pairing rituals such as weight loss chocolate pairing ritual, this resets the weight loss hormones. Weight loss carb pairing ritual, this enables you to eat everything and still be in shape. Weight loss movement pairing ritual, this results in fat loss from the toughest areas. Weight loss wine pairing ritual, this eradicates inflammation. Weight loss spice pairing ritual, this results in great weight loss when you pair 2 dessert spices. Hence, Cinderella Solution's unique strategy does wonders without any side effects. These are such great pairings that you'll definitely love it. How is Cinderella Solution better than pills, diets or workout? Most of the diets and pills are directed towards losing fats. However, none of these actually focuses on the real problem. I bet none of these doctors has actually told you what weight loss is about. Cinderella Solution understands why we gain weight and tries to solve the real problem rather than focusing on outer fats. Many users have reported that their immunity has increased and they have to suffer from fewer diseases now. This solution is scientifically proven and backed by numerous clinical studies too. While other doctors, pharma industry and gym instructors try to loot you and you have nothing in return, Cinderella Solution is a budget-friendly solution that will help you treat the problem from its roots. Buy now, save more. Click the link in the description.